Welcome. I am live for the second time today. You are live. I am going to talk to you. I just want to touch on the new Brevi Diffuser. That's how I pronounce it. If it's not right, I don't care. The Brevi Diffuser and the new Citrus Bloom oil blend. So some of you have never probably seen the Brevi Diffuser and aren't really sure what the settings are and how that works. So I wanted to run through it. Now, I did not order the combo pack that's available limited time right now in April until they sell out, but I do have the Brevi from the Christmas time that came in the brown wood color. So I'm just going to show you this one. Look how small and cute it is. And then if you love this diffuser as much as I do, you will get the marble one in the gorgeous white and get yourself some Citrus Bloom and try it out. So this is the Brevi. This is in the wood, whatever they're calling it, the faux wood. You can see it's that like dark brown, really rich color. Almost looks black if you photograph it when the light is on, so you can probably pull it off as a black or brown because the top is actually pretty much black as far as I'm concerned. So this, like all of the diffusers that doTERRA has, most of the diffusers that doTERRA has, there is a light option that you can turn on. I don't have it plugged in right now, so typically it is an outlet plug with the cord. I just don't have it plugged in. So there's multiple light options, or you can have it on or off. So if you want it to be off, then you just get this little light non-existent. Otherwise, it comes with a nice like white glow, the cyan, the red. It comes with all the colors like normal. Similar to the Lumo diffuser, this one has a 2-hour, a 5-hour, and then a 10-hour setting. And if you do the 10-hour, it has 5 minutes on, 5 minutes off, intermittent. So it's not a continuous mist if you do the 10 hours, which is completely fine when you're diffusing. There's no problem with that, but you've got the 2-hour or the 5-hour if you want continuous. If you want it to run for 10 hours, you can do the intermittent 5 minutes on, 5 minutes off option. Lights on or off, great as a nightlight in a kid's bedroom. It's pretty small, so this is a good diffuser to travel with. If you're going to be staying in a hotel or traveling somewhere and you want to pack light and small, this whole diffuser, like you can see, I can fit it in my hands. And inside, the whole charger cord, that's why I've got it wrapped up, the whole charger cord will actually fit right inside here. You just set it, like dry it out inside, set it in, and you can actually put the top on. And had I not put it over the plastic part, I would have been able to close it all the way. So then it closes and you can actually travel with the whole thing this size and you don't have to lose your cord. Everything is together all as one. So that is a good option if you are someone who travels often and you want to have a diffuser that fits all together and is nice and tight and compact, and you can run it for the 10 hours overnight while you're sleeping. So this is a great option for travel. Now with the limited time offer, it comes in the white marble on the bottom, and the I don't want to call it the grill, I don't know, the cover, this meshy part that's solid, comes in white. So it's gorgeous, works beautiful with, like, if you've got white countertops, it'll blend right in and look so good. And then with the bundle, you get the Citrus Bloom included. So the Citrus Bloom is our new citrus blend. It's called the Springtime Blend. And it is citrus and floral. So this combination is perfect for Mother's Day, perfect for spring. Citrus Bloom, the Springtime Blend, has wild orange, grapefruit, lavender, Roman chamomile, and magnolia in it. So if you saw my other live with my unboxing from today, you know I'm really loving this blend. I've been using magnolia a lot topically before bed. Magnolia is very calming, very relaxing, even more so than lavender because of the chemical constituents that are in it. And so this being having that magnolia in it, it smells to me very similar to the magnolia, but also with the extra citrus, which if you are a citrus lover, get this in your home. Perfect to just diffuse in your common areas. We've got it going in our kitchen, living room area constantly since it came out of the box, and so it's a really beautiful blend, citrus, floral. There is a limit of 4 if you buy the oil by itself, and then there's a limit of 4 if you buy the combo of the diffuser with the citrus bloom. So just make sure that you snag them while you can. Get as many as you want, up to the 4, because they will sell out and they will be gone and you won't be able to get them, and you'll wish you had it when everybody else is running around with it. So that is the citrus bloom. That is the Brevi diffuser. This is the walnut. You'll get the white one. So we're all good. And then go check out my video from today with the April Loyalty Rewards Wellness Box, and let me know which products that you are most excited for and what is on your wish list, because I will be doing a drawing off of that video's comments of what you are needing to snag up. So make sure you specify which things you want and go and snag yourself a citrus bloom and a Brevi diffuser and just live it up this springtime. Have a good night.